वेलकम टू आवर चैनल इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर प्रोफेशनल। आज हमारा सेशन है द कंप्रेसर यूज़ इन दी ऑयल फील्ड। ऑयल फील्ड में कौन से कंप्रेसर यूज़ किए जाते हैं। तो चलें, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर से रिलीज़ होने वाली हर वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुँचे, जो कि आपके प्रोफेशन को इम्प्रूव करे। चलें प्रोफेशनल, अभी हम सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि ऑयल फील्ड कंप्रेसर जो हैं वो क्या होते हैं और कौन सी टाइप के कंप्रेसर जो हैं वो यूज़ किए जाते हैं। ऑयल फील्ड कंप्रेसर्स आर यूज टू कंप्रेस एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट क्रूड ऑयल, नेचुरल गैस एंड अदर लिक्विड और gaseous products in the oil and gas production process to ensure continuous and efficient production operation. So this is the short introduction of the compressor. Now we will discuss which types of compressor are used in the oil field and what's the difference between the pumps and the compressors. यानी pumps and compressor में क्या डिफरेंस है, अभी जो है वो हम इसके बारे में लर्न करेंगे। ऑयल एंड गैस फील्ड में डिफरेंट तरह के पंप जो हैं वो यूज़ किए जाते हैं। तो हमारे कुछ प्रोफेसर इसके बारे में पूछा था, तो इसलिए हम शॉर्ट जो है वो इंट्रोडक्शन इसके बारे में आपको थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि ऑयल फील्ड में जो कंप्रेसर जो हैं वो यूज़ किए, कौन से कंप्रेसर जो हैं वो यूज़ किए जाते हैं। यानी कि फ़र्स्ट हम लेते हैं कंप्रेसर्स, बेसिक क्लासिफिकेशन एंड डिज़ाइन ओवरव्यू। व्हाट आर कंप्रेसर्स? Compressors are mechanical device that compresses gases. It is widely used in the industries and has various applications. There is the one point you should know about the compressor. Compressors, gas used for the gas and pumps used for the liquid. Here we can see the gas section pressure, section temperature and section velocity. Then compressor will compress this gas and it will provide us discharge pressure, discharge temperature. How they are different from the pumps? Major difference is that compressors handles the gases and pumps handles the liquids. As gases are compressible, the compressor also reduces the volume of the gas. Liquids are relatively incompressible, while some can be compressed. Compressors are fluid machines that handle gases and vapors, which are compressible, in which decrease in volume when pressure increases, which increase in temperature when pressure increases, which are usually less dense than liquids. Compressors do not like liquid. You should know about this one. What are its applications? Compressors have many everyday uses, such as in air conditioners, car and homes, home and industrial refrigeration, gas compressions for many use, gas injections and transportations, air compressors for industrial manufacturing. These are the applications of the compressors. You should know about this one. What are the applications of the compressors? You know the compressors applications. A lot of applications have the compressors, like in the air conditioner systems and industrial systems, Basic theory of the compressor, we will see. Compress means to squeeze together, reduce in volume. If the three states of the matter are looked at, it can be seen that only gas has the properties which allow for compression, not liquids. Solids have molecules packed tightly together in a regular structure. Liquids have molecules packed less tightly in a random formation, allowing them to adopt the shape of a container and are able to flow fluid properties. But liquids have almost a fixed volume. Gases have assembled molecules and, like liquids, have similar fluid properties but virtually no fixed volume. Liquid in a compressor can cause high power requirement, which may damage the driver or transmission components, damage to impellers and internal seals. If the liquids enter in the compressors, what can happen? This is the effects of the liquids in the compressor. We can see by the Boyle's law, the basic law which related pressure and volume in a gas is known as Boyle's law. This law states that at a constant temperature, the volume of a given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its absolute pressure. This may be written as an equation as follows: P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. In this equation, P1 is the initial pressure, P2 is the final pressure, V1 is the initial bubbles, and V2 is the final bubbles. This is the Boyle's law. If we will see here, the Boyle's law relationship between the pressure P and the volume V of a confined gas held at a constant temperature. Here you can see when temperature increased, the pressure decreased. When the pressure increased, we can see the volume decreased. Even if we'll see the temperature is the constant, but when pressure increased, then the volume decreased. This is the Boyle's law. Here we will see the Charles' law. Mathematically, Charles' law can be expressed as V1 over T1 equal to V2 over T2. Remember, pressure is constant, temperature increases, volume increases. Temperature decreases, volume decreases. Here we can see, as per the Charles' law, the relationship between temperature and volume at a constant number of the moles and pressure is called Charles and Gay-Lussac's law. Here we can see the pressure is constant. When temperature increased, the volume increased. Gay-Lussac's law, if the volume of a gas is held constant, its pressure is proportional to the temperature. P over T equal to K. So these are the laws of the Boyle's, Charles, and ideal gas law and combined gas law. So you should remember about this one. You should memorize what are the laws of the pressures and volumes, temperatures and volumes. So this is the information about the compressors. We hope this one today discussion about the compressors which used in the oil field, it will give you a lot of information. So we will meet you in the next video. Have a nice day.